If you are getting a WinRAR Access Denied error, it usually means Windows or security settings are blocking permission to open or extract the file. First, run WinRAR as administrator to ensure it has full system permissions. Check the file location. If the archive is inside a protected folder like program files or system folders, move it to desktop or downloads and try again. Make sure the file is not in use by another program. Close any app that might be using the archive. Temporarily disable antivirus or Windows Defender because security software can block extraction access. Right-click the file, go to Properties, and check if there is an unblock option. If yes, enable it and apply changes. Ensure your user account has full read and write permissions for the folder where the file is stored. Try extracting the file using a different folder path with a simple name like C:\extract. Update WinRAR to the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If the problem continues, restart your PC to reset locked file permissions. These steps will fix most WinRAR Access Denied errors on Windows.